Today we are going to learn 10th standard relations and functions. 10th sum exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3 10th sum. The data in the adjacent table depicts the length of a person forehand and their corresponding height. Length is given and height is given and their corresponding height. Based on this data, a student finds a relationship between the height and the forehand length. So based on the given data, we'll find a relationship between the height and the forehand of a length of the forehand of a person. Has y equal to ax plus b, where a comma b are constant. The function is given as y equal to ax plus b. Here x represents the length of the forehand and here the y represents the height in inches. And the values are given respectively. If the length of the forehand is 35, then the height is 56. The height of the person is 56. If the length of the forehand is 45, the height of the person is 65. So respectively they have given. Now Roman letter 1, we have to check if the relation is a function. Your first question is we have to check whether the given relation is a function. So the tabular column, given elements in the tabular column we'll write in an ordered pair. So 35, 56, 45, 65, 50, 69.5 and 55, 74. So we can find that all the elements of the x are related to some other elements of the y. So therefore the given function is a relation is a function. So every element of domain has an image in codomain. So it is a function. Second question, we have to find the value of a and b. We have to find the value of a and b. Now let us consider any two order pair. Let us consider 35, 56, 45 and 65. Let us consider the order pair 35, 56, 45, 65. So the first element represents x, second element represents y. Similarly, first element represents x, second element represents y. So this is the function given y equal to ax plus b relation. So in the place of y, let us write 56 and in the place of x, we'll write 35. So in the place of x, I have written 35. In the place of y, I have written 56. That's all. Same thing for this ordered pair. In the place of y, we'll write 65 and in the place of x, we'll write 45. So that we got the answer 65 is equals to 45a plus b. Here 56 is equals to 35a plus b. Let us denote this as equation number 1 and equation number 2. So let us write here equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now first equation minus second equation will change the sign so that we can cancel the value of b. So first equation minus second equation, so that we'll cancel the value of b. Therefore here different sign, subtract and write the sign of the greater number. Here different sign, subtract and write the sign of the greater number. So your next step, minus minus get cancels. So 9 is equals to 10a. 10a equals to 9. A equals to 9 divided by 10. Therefore the value of a is 0.9. 0.9. Okay. We'll sub this value a equal to 0.9 in equation number 1. So the equation number 1 is 56 is equals to 35a plus b. 56 equal to 35. Instead of a, we'll write 0.9 plus 5. So 56 equal to 35 into 0.9 is 31.5 plus b. Here you don't bother about the multiplication. First you multiply. Later on decide the decimal point. To find the value of b, 31 plus 5 in the terms of addition, when goes to other side becomes subtraction. So 56 minus 31.5 answer is 24.5. Therefore the value of b is 24.5. So we'll consider any two ordered pair. We'll write them as xy, xy. From the given ordered pair, we'll find the values of this equation. 56 equals to 35a plus b, 65 equal to 45a plus b, and by elimination method, we can find the value of this a and b. So this is your answer. Next is your third sum. When the length of the forehand is x is equals to 40 centimeter, we have to find the value of y. So given relation is y equal to ax plus b. We know that a equal to 0.9 and b equal to 24.5 and x value given in the question 40. We'll sub the value of a, b and x in this relation so that y equal to 0.9 into 40 plus 24.5. So 0.9 into 40 is 360, 36.0 plus 24.5 gives you 60.5. So the height of a person is 60.5. Now the question is reversed. Now here the a value is, we know the value of a, we know the value of b, and now we know given in the question the value of y. Now we have to find the value of x. Here we know the value of x, we are finding y. Here we know the value of y. Now we are going to find the value of x. Sub the value of a, b, y in the relation. So y equals to, in the place of a I have written the value, b I have written the value. 53.5 plus 24.5 when goes to other side becomes minus 24.5, that is 28.8, 0.9 into x. So I have replaced the position. 0.9 into x equals to 28.8, x equals to 28.8 divided by 0.9. To remove the decimal points, into 10 into 10, so that your answer is 288 divided by 9. 9 divides 288 32 times. Therefore, the value of x is 32 centimeter. That is, the length of the forehand is 32 centimeter. Thank you, children.